Hello. Wow, okay. Okay, so today is Monday, obviously. I'm getting this up, I think, hopefully, today. But yesterday for Easter, I did this, like, wonderful, amazing look. I'll insert a clip here if I can, or picture, whatever it may end up being. And I absolutely loved it, but did not have time to film it and all that stuff. So I wanted to do it again today because I loved it too much to not have it documented on the interwebs. So that's what we're doing today. But I do want to say that I am going to be doing a Nomad week sometime, I think, for the rest of the days of this week on my channel, since there's a good chance I won't be having free time anymore. So I wanted to crank out some more stuff before that. But yeah, I'm hopefully collabing with Shani this week, so that'll be fun. But you know what? Let's get into this. Okay, so if you've seen my Kylie Jenner, like this palette review, whatnot, whatever, on my channel, it's pretty much just exactly that look with a little bit of some Nomad shadows, and then it's just gonna be like this fun liner look. So it's not really gonna be a tutorial. I'm just gonna zoom through it, hopefully pop in some non-copyright music, and